Welcome to another video, guys. My name is David Pinto, and I have been getting a lot of questions regarding how do I actually withdraw cryptocurrency into actual fiat currency? How do I transact it? Because on this channel, sorry, and not on this website, but on this channel, we are speaking about a lot of the cryptocurrency market as well as marketing and how to actually finance your whole business online, right? So if you like this video, what I want you to do is hit the subscribe button below, hit the thumbs up if you find it useful, and especially this, the bell notification is going to give you updates to any future video I do. So definitely click that button. Okay, let me get into it, guys. The first thing that I want to say is that there is a lot of knowledge and a lot of things are happening out there in the market that people don't understand. How do you buy cryptocurrency? How do you sell cryptocurrency? The fact that there is an exchange. There was news today that the airline industry, specifically even different airports and stuff like that, are looking into blockchain. So it's a growing, booming industry to get in, even though the price of Bitcoin right now is low. Okay, than what it was last year, but it's definitely higher, but it's lower than what it was last year. Okay, so you are stuck. Okay, I want to give you the scenario. If you're in this scenario and this is you, then this is going to help you. I want to really be very thorough in this video on how to actually withdraw your money and funds and everything else. So who am I addressing? I'm addressing people in this video specifically who are, or people who want to know more about how do you withdraw from a cryptocurrency to a fiat currency, how to utilize cryptocurrency in your day-to-day action. There are simple and a little complex methods, okay? So let's start off with the simple. The simplest way is that you have a phone, okay? The other person has a phone, and you transact the cryptocurrency via an application on your phone where you store your Bitcoin or where you store your cryptocurrency and transfer that cryptocurrency to the next person. Okay, so if you have an app, you can pass it to me. This is the most simplest, and this is where we're going, where we're headed, and what has to be done. Now, to head in that direction, definitely there needs much more regulations and things that are happening in the background, which is why there have been ups and downs with Bitcoin. But that's the first way. The second way is getting the cryptocurrency payment in whatever you're doing. So for example, if I send you cryptocurrency, you receive it in your wallet. And some wallets, like for example, Coinbase, you can connect your bank account. So what this does, or your PayPal. So what this does is that you take it out from your Coinbase account as cryptocurrency, from cryptocurrency to fiat currency. It goes to your bank account directly, or it goes to your card directly, or it goes to your PayPal directly, and then you can utilize the money from there. Okay, so we just covered two ways of doing it. One is direct transactional basis of cryptocurrency. Second way is through the systems set up directly with the exchange or the wallet that you have. Now, this is a little tricky because it depends, then there's security issues depending on your country and all these kind of things. So you need to definitely look into your country. I do not know the rules for every country. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving you a little bit of help and a nudge to understand this information, okay? But definitely look into it, okay, with your country in mind, wherever you are staying at the moment. Now, there's one other way which I utilize for people in Europe, not everywhere in Europe. So I'm going to give you an alternative option. Now, this option that I'm going to give you is something that has been phenomenal for me, honestly. I utilized another cryptocurrency exchange which gave cards. Okay, they gave cards, which is a normal Visa debit card, and I used a Visa debit card to actually transact, and it was working smoothly. But there were problems in the industry in itself because of lots of things that the card providers didn't want to provide the cards anymore. Not Visa and MasterCard, but just the card providers. So what happened is that this company right here, Wirex, okay, went into literally, okay, if I just click on business, I want you guys to see from when it started, how it started, what it did. So you can check really how much, but you have a lot of things that you can do with Wirex. Okay, literally a lot of things, and it's been in the, let's say, shadows for many businesses a long time. And they are based in UK. They're very, very transparent. You can go to the office if you want. You can check out the personal accounts. You can do, they're basically a financial company, and they deal with financial services. And now they have their own financial services with regards to cryptocurrency. And they also, let me show you, they also give you card. They also have crypto cash back. So this is the card that you can get, okay? You can order a card. It's free of charge. For those who are in Europe, it's free of charge. And you can see the details. It's a Visa card. You can add funds very, very simply. It's on Apple Store. It's on Google Play. You just need to open your account and voila, that's it. Okay, so there's a lot that can be done with this app. As you can see, there's quite a few cryptocurrencies right now in the exchange. So if you have Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, or Ripple, you can convert it to sterlings or pounds, euro, and USD. That's it. Okay, and then you every time you transact. So let me show you guys an example. Okay, I want to show you guys specifically. I have a card. Okay, let's just do this. I have a card. Okay. I might blur out that section because I don't want you guys to see the number and stuff like that, but I have a card, okay? And every time, what this means is every time I use the card if I go out to eat, if I go and withdraw money, I spend money in the mall and stuff like that, I get a 0.05% in Bitcoin crypto back, which basically means they give you back money depending on how much your expenditure. So then you can convert the crypto again into more money. So that's something like a cashback policy, but in crypto. So this company has been there for quite some time at the moment, and I'm using Virex Visa card to actually do all my transaction when it comes to Bitcoin. So if I need to even go on a different website, I take the cryptocurrency that I own, I push it on the Virex card, I then convert it into euros or dollars or whatever I want to, and then I spend it on either online or offline this way. So there's a constant transaction with the card, but it's quite a cool card and really helps. So you can check if you want to open it for business, even better. Okay, you have blockchain solutions. You can open accounts which are much better to connect your business accounts, bank accounts. Very easy to connect your bank account as well here, so you can withdraw in your bank account depending on whatever you want. Okay, these are really important to have these kind of aspects in your business or in a day-to-day life to get in and understand. So what I'm going to do, I do have a referral link and stuff like that, but I don't want to put it. If you're interested from this video in working with me, understanding more on how I trade cryptocurrency on a daily basis, how I work in marketing and actually teach you how to market step by step, having the foundations and tools in your business, it's called the Pro System, and you can find the link in the description of this video. Okay, description of this video, there's a link to the Pro System, to my trading, and to my tools that I have. Feel free to go about checking them out if you wish. Otherwise, I hope this video was educational, and we covered 3 ways. And this is one of the ways that you can withdraw your cryptocurrency or your Bitcoin into fiat currency or actual cash, US dollars, euro, and other things. Okay, have a great day, and I'm going to see you in the next video.